everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use control break for reports in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Report Accounts menu under the Accounts module. Now, we have to select the All Outstanding Details report. On this All Outstanding Details page, we have to enter the required details. Then click on Submit button. Now, the All Outstanding Details report will be displayed on the screen. Here, we can select any column, then click on Control Break option. Now, the column-based details will be displayed on the screen. This is how to use Control Break for reports in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.